Life area number 8 in Feng Shui, called Wisdom, Self-Knowledge, and Rest, is associated with the earth element. And the earth element in the body rules the stomach, the spleen, body fat, connective tissues. And so it's also symbolically associated with the emotions related to the earth element. And that would be the hypo would be worry. The hypo means low energy, right? The low energy, this harmony for the earth element is being worried. And the hyper, this harmony for the earth element, the excessive, the exaggerated expression of not being okay with the earth element is obsession, obsessive thinking, people who think too much. And so what is recommended in Feng Shui is to engage in singing. Singing is what helps you harmonize the earth element in yourself. When your earth element is harmonized, then comes reflection. And reflection is the ability to think clearly without being burdened by worries or by obsession. So the ability to think clearly. And that, of course, will lead to better decisions and better actions. The colors that help the earth element are the color yellow, beige, sand, all the earth tones. And what you want is to create a mood of peace. The earth element is a very generous element because it receives the seeds and it produces the plants and the fruit that we all need and that we benefit from, the trees and all that. But it's the earth element that provides the nutrition for all the plants to grow. And so receptivity and yielding are characteristics of what you would want to create in terms of mood to enhance the earth element. You also can add checkered patterns or squares, horizontal rectangles, that also brings in the earth element. Bringing in ceramic objects, porcelain, anything made from dirt also increases the presence of the earth element. The earth element has a calming energy, and so it makes a home feel more stable. Let's talk a little bit about fat, because in our society, we think fat is the enemy. We're always thinking about how can I burn more fat? How can I get rid of this fat? But the fat in your body has actually very important functions. One of those is to help you regulate your hormones. And so you probably have heard that gymnasts, female gymnasts who are keeping their body at a very low fat percentage, they have hormonal problems, and often they have a delayed onset of puberty. And so your hormones have very important functions within the body, and you need to have a healthy proportion of fat in the body. Of course, excess fat would be a problem. And the earth element, it rules wisdom, self-knowledge, and rest, but it also rules marriage, relationships, and partnerships, and these life areas work together. And so oftentimes when I talk with women who tell me that they would like to be in a relationship and are now single, body fat comes up. And a lot of clients have told me they believe it is the fat in their bodies that is preventing them from finding a relationship. And many people who do healing and therapies have told me that they find a correlation between, yes, the body fat can be used as a barrier to try and keep away a potential partner. So all these are things to explore as you work through healing your life with Feng Shui.